These are the sounds of battle in the fight against breast cancer. Sialex, a science research group in Vista, is working on a secret weapon to turn the tide.
Sialex does many things with a non-human sugar called Nu5GC. One of the things we do is look at it as a marker for certain diseases such as cancer.
This technology will aid in the early detection of those illnesses.
This is a test that picks up a molecule on cells that's normally not expressed. Our immune system responds to it, creating antibodies, and we take those antibodies and we have a little test that we can put these antibodies on, and if they're there, then we know that that probably indicates the existence of cancer.
If all goes well, this test will be faster, cheaper, more accurate, and less invasive than similar tests currently available.
We take a small amount of blood in the form of serum. We take that serum, put it on our specially designed array, and then if there's a positive result, it shows up as a bright light on a background that's black.
But this test could be used for more than just detecting breast cancer.
We're looking at a number of other diseases, including things like endometriosis and rheumatoid arthritis. We are into phase 2, so we are much closer to getting to market. We still have to go through FDA regulations, and that does take a little bit of time, but we hope to see a product out there in less than 5 years.
In Vista, this is Dave Prohaska, North County News.